Welcome back to our channel. If you're dreaming about saying goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind before hitting 40, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing my ultimate guide on how to retire in your 30s. Yes, it's totally possible, and I'm living proof. So, let's dive in. Step 1 is all about vision. Retirement doesn't mean the same thing for everyone. For me, it was about having the freedom to work on projects I'm passionate about without worrying about bills. What's your version? Traveling the world? Starting a passion project? Write it down. Step 2 is achieving financial independence. This means your investments provide enough income to cover your living expenses. But how? First, know your numbers. How much do you need annually to live your dream retirement life? Remember, it's not just about surviving, but thriving. Now, let's talk savings rate. The key is to save a significant portion of your income. I aimed for 50 to 70%. Sounds tough, right? But with a minimalist lifestyle and smart budgeting, it's achievable. And remember, it's not forever, just until you reach your financial goal. Investing is where the magic happens. It's not just about saving money, but growing it. I diversified my portfolio with stocks, bonds, and real estate. The stock market has historically returned about 7 to 8% annually, adjusted for inflation. Real estate, on the other hand, can provide a steady income through rentals. The key? Start early and stay consistent. Relying on a single income is risky, especially in early retirement. I diversified my income by starting a side hustle, investing in dividend-paying stocks, and owning rental properties. These streams can buffer you against market volatility and provide financial security. Retiring in your 30s isn't a myth. It's a possibility with the right plan and discipline. Start by defining your retirement goals, achieve financial independence through saving and investing, create multiple income streams, and don't forget to plan for healthcare. I hope this guide lights a fire under you to start planning your early retirement. It's a journey with its set of challenges, but trust me, the freedom it brings is worth every sacrifice. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insights into financial independence and early retirement. Until next time, keep dreaming big and living smart.